Chapter 1. Genealogical Structure, the Kinship System. A. Kinship. Lineage Saompu, the term marga branch defines quite clearly the two or three or more equivalent divisions branches of the marga tree of which a marga consists. The term lineage is in common with its Batak equivalent, Saompu, suffers from the same drawback as the term marga in that it is difficult to circumscribe its limits. Such is its nature. Such close attention is given to relationships resulting from descent, and so much importance is attached to them because, in the sequence of the generations, every father who has had more than one son becomes a subtly defined joint in the genealogy of his patrilineal group. From him, two or more groups of descendants have sprung, each of which has its own identity. But if the unit, they will find in him the Opu Paksadan Sada one, the meeting point Pakdomuan. In the same manner, each of his sons again forms the core of a smaller lineage. Means grandfather, great-grandfather, forefather, and ancestor. Those who are of one of the same lineage, Nasaupu, thus represent the lineage stemming from a common forefather 4 generations back, as well as the lineage that is already 12 generations old and is on the way to becoming a marga. Thus, each individual belongs to a system of ever-widening lineages to a number of ever-extending groups of which the unifying connection is always to be found further back in time. This is most important because a man who belongs to a lineage that is strongly branched and has numerous members, Nabalga Paktubu, he who belongs to a great descent group, is differently placed in life and may reckon himself more fortunate than a man who can only show a single lineage, Nametmet Paktubu, and he again is different from the man who is alone and who must pursue his existence far from the kin group to which he belongs. Hence they say, Molo otik sopu soriniari namai. Molo godang sopu godang nitua namai. The small lineage is the victim of its ill fortune. The great lineage owes its existence to great blessings. The meaning of the term suhu, corner group is close to that of Opu in the expression suhuni paktubu, corner of lineage, descent groups within one lineage. The word suhu, however, usually embraces less than Opu, to quote the saying, Dung satsimu maksabula, dung maksuhu maksaupu. The half comes after the slice, the large lineage saupu come after the smaller ones hasuhu. The term saupu defines units of about the extent of a marga branch, but each genealogical suhu is also an opu. The terms are interchangeable. Keep a separate unit, a family unit, in the narrowest sense, means immediate family. The Dongan Saripe member of the family is the husband. But it extends beyond these limits and can even indicate a separate marga branch, as can be seen from the story of the settlement of the dispute in the Sipahutang territory given in Appendix 2. Hita na Saripe, pinopag ni si Raja Silitonga, we the descendants of si Raja Silitonga, who are of one family. In Mandarin, the word has come to mean village ward, kinship ward, which is nearer to the original meaning of the word Saripe than one who is acquainted with the connection between the genealogical groups and the territorial distribution would think.